In this video, we would like to demonstrate how you can record the screen on an iPhone 14 series smartphones. Alrighty, so the first thing that you need to do is to launch the control center. You can do that by simply swiping downwards from the top right part of your screen, from the right part of the status bar to be exact. And among the controls and shortcuts that are available for you, just look for this particular one. Once you would like to start the screen recording, tap on it. Then you will be able to see the 3 seconds countdown. And once the countdown finishes, the screen recording has been successfully started. If you would like to stop it, just tap on this red circle, then on this red square. And as you can see, the recording has been successfully stopped and saved to photos. If you have the regular iPhone 14, not the Pro model, the red circle that I've pressed to stop the recording will be located right here. Now, if you were to open the control center and you were not able to find the shortcut for the screen recorder, simply go into the settings. Then enter the dedicated control center category and let me just exclude the screen recording real quick and scroll the page down until you'll be able to find the more controls. In here, find the directly find the screen recording shortcut, tap on this plus sign, and it will be successfully added to the control center. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.